Hello friends, welcome to learn Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to learn how to extract all the value from given or how to search all the value from given table by using single VLOOKUP. Suppose here we have employee code and we want to search whole data. Here you can create drop down list or you can also enter a value. Okay, you know that how to create drop down list. Watch my previous video. Okay, now I want to apply formula here. VLOOKUP. Okay, lookup value is from this cell. The table array is this data. Okay, the column index is 1 and we want exact match. Okay, here if we put value, then there is value. But if I want by using this single lookup formula, name, department and basic salary also, suppose I drag this formula, what happen? There is not applicable value is found. Why? Because here we give column is 1. Okay, and therefore here in this formula the range is changed. In this formula range is from B2. From B2 we want column 1. Suppose here if we click look at the address bar, here it will take range from C2. C2 from C2 we want column 1. Then how to adjust all this? Let us change the formula. Here our reference cell is fixed, therefore lock this cell by using F4 function. Okay, this cell is fixed as well as our range is also fixed, therefore log here F4. Our range is always start from A2. Okay, then what we'll do with this? Here let us use one more function, columns. Okay, within column functions we want column from A2 to B2, close the bracket, and there is exact match because A2 to B2 always extract column 1. But here also we want A2 is a log cell because we want to count column from A2 to D11. Therefore, put enter. Let us check the formula. What will happen? Okay, our cell is fixed. This range we want from A2. Then columns is from A2 to B2. Let us check this function. Suppose I copy this function here equal to, we want column A2 B2 na? Okay, let us again select column. We want function columns. Okay, here what is the function? Columns. Okay, let us apply this function here because this function, I think here is a spelling mistake. Yeah, right here I have spelling mistake. Here the function is columns. Okay, now put enter. A2 to B2, that is 1 na? No, 2. Then A2 to, right here A2. Okay, now drag this formula. Here are whole record. Suppose here we put 104 because we want to count column, because column number is not fixed, therefore we apply this column formula to exactly count the column from A2 to D2. Okay, like this by using single lookup formula you can access all the values, but you have to care or take care of something. You have to lock first cell, then you have to lock where you want to search the data, you have to lock that cell. After that you want to count column from first column, therefore you have to lock first column, and then there is exact match 0. Okay, like this you can search whole data by using single VLOOKUP value. Okay. Thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture.